Hello guys! Today I will show you how to use Raccoon Wallet, which is a NEM wallet for the Android devices created by the Japanese community members, and I think it's pretty useful application for the mobile phones. You are able to send transactions, also harvest from it. I will send you the most of the use cases of this wallet in this review/tutorial video. So I want to create my new wallet. So this is probably a name of the wallet. This is my address. I'm agreeing to everything. There are probably some ways of saving your private keys, PIN codes, whatever. I will just use the ones. Being honest, I would love to see this wallet translated into English, but we've got what we see. Maybe somebody from the community will be able to translate it from the Japanese to English. So I want to send some mosaics, some gems into my account, into this wallet one here on my Android device, and so probably I will go to the Receive tab and I will copy the address, or I will send the gems directly to this QR code. So yeah, I will do that in a second. So I'm back. As you guys can see, I already made some transfers. I made some test transfers to see how capable is this wallet. And being honest, I'm amazed. There are many options, and I will go through a few of them right now. So let's go into this transaction tab first to see all of those transactions that I made. And as you guys see at the bottom, there is one transaction with one gem and a mosaic attached. So there is a checkbox near the mosaic. I will click on this transaction. Those are the details. So I sent 100 of Tony tokens. At the bottom of the screen you see 10,000 of them, but it's because my token has like 2 decimals. So 100 tokens is like 10,000 units of this token. So this wallet isn't taking it into the consideration yet, but still I think it's a good feature to have those mosaics implemented in the wallet. So yeah, let's go and look at the other transfers. So I just sent 5 them into this wallet as well. And as well, I sent 1 them to my other wallet just to see how can I spend the tokens. Also, there is a possibility to harvest. So as you guys can see at the bottom of the screen, I'm not harvesting currently, and it's still unavailable in this version. Even if this option will be available, I would still not use it, because having 10,000 them on my mobile phone is a little bit too much. I feel like it's super dangerous move to harvest from the mobile phone, to have this much of funds on the mobile phone. So yeah, I won't use it anytime soon. But let's send some tokens. Let's send some them from this wallet. So I'm clicking scan at the bottom of the screen. I will scan my screen. As you guys see, I already did that. It went super fast. I had the QR code of my second wallet on the screen, and right now the Raccoon Wallet is asking me if I want to send the transfer using this QR code and the default values. That means 0 them and 0 tokens. So I don't want to, and I will click this left button to set up some amount of them. I will send myself those 100 tokens that I already checked. those are here, and I want to send 100 of those, and I will send 3 them. And I want to standard send, so I'm sending 3 them, 100 of my tokens, and as I said, I don't know if that would be 100 or just 1 token because of the decimals, but I will see that in my wallet. And yeah, I sent this to my main wallet on the desktop, and being honest, it divided into 2 transactions. So there are 2 transfers, one with 3 them and one with 100 of those tokens. So yeah, I sent all of those tokens, so that's cool. And this transaction just made through the blockchain. So I see that on the screen right now. I will put it on the screen as well so you guys can see that. And let's go into transactions just to see. Yep, I sent 3 them in 1 transaction, and 100 of the Tony tokens, because as I said, decimals, so it's like 10,000 with decimals in the second transfer, but I don't know why it counted like 1 them for that. There is probably some kind of small bug. So what do I think about this wallet? I think it's super useful, free to use wallet with the Mosaic capability, created by some specialized Japanese team. Basically, they have few people in their team. They are managing the layout, they are managing the graphics, the descriptions. There are coders there, so it's not like one person. It's a team of people who are dealing with this wallet. I also like about it that it's pretty self-explanatory. Even with most of the description in Japanese, I still understand what's going on. And yeah, I like that. I like that a lot, and I will be using that as well because it's the free wallet. So yeah, it's good. Free is always good. So guys, if you like this wallet, I will put the link to it in the description below. You can download it from the Google Play. It's called NEM Raccoon Wallet. So I think that's all for today. A little bit of tutorial review how to use this NEM Raccoon Wallet. I'm calling it a very good piece of software. Very well made. I would love to see more updates with the English language in it, but it is what it is. So yeah, if you guys have some spare them, you want to test it out, do that because it's a cool application. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. More videos like that are coming. I would like to review all the wallets based on the NEM platform on my channel, so I'm suggesting to subscribe to my channel because I will be reviewing those wallets pretty often, and I want to go through all of those wallets, and there is a lot of wallets on the market. So yeah, subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye!